Alright, part 2 of 2 video, here we go. I'll just simply unplug the power line. I'm just gonna cut these. Now I can unplug the USB cord that was plugged in here that leads to the backup remote in the glove compartment. So these must be leading to the front and these two to the back. Why? Rest is okay, computer is okay, the struts are perfect. I never had any issues of any of the struts. It's just this little guys right here gave me problems. Do it! Just do it! Don't let your airbags be airbags. Yesterday it was all 45. Now it's 165 psi. Just do it! Some people just stay 55. You're gonna wake up 170 psi. Nothing is perfect. You should get to the point where everyone else is aired out, and you're not gonna stop there. 170 psi. Do it. Just do it. Yes, you can. If you're tired of air ups, stop giving up.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Car shop really did a good job installing these, alright. How secure they are. Very professional. Look at that. It's like pulling out someone's guts. I got it. Thank you Z1s for their exhaust gasket. The show must go on. Must continue. There's my grease lightning comb. Look at this audio people in Pearl City. So I just learned that AirX is coming through passenger side. Anyways, come here. Come here. Come here. It's like calling a snake. There. Act like nothing happened. What I did? Oh, weight reduction that kind. That's all chocolate meat. Someone went crazy with all the chocolate meat, that's why. Where were we? Ah yes, the RX wire. So it is now on the next day as I continue on the passenger side. I followed this all the way up to here, and then in the glove compartment is my backup remote, USB cord, it's zip tied. Now let's move along to the front end area. And that should be the passenger side. And that should be the driver side. So both driver and passenger side for the front goes through down here. So that's the passenger side, and that's the driver side. And now let's move on to the power lines. So this wire is for the positive side, as you can see, with a very good condition of the fuse. That's for the negative wire, which is the black. Goes through here. So I'll be cutting this side of the wire, this side of the butt plug, and everything should fall through for both positive and the negative. Ta-da! That's pretty much it. Look at that mess. Were you taking notes, Heineken? Or just waiting for food? Yep. So there's 2.5-ish finger gap there. I know the rest of you will cry. Be strong. Be strong. Carry it on into the darkness. Whatever you say that is. It's worth it. Yes, for you RX owners, if you are active in car shows, car meets, you get better chance of resources, of support, getting the issues done with other RX owners. So thank you for watching. I hope you like how the springs settle. Shoots.